Alright, g'day trendsetters. In a video a few weeks ago now, I divided from a punnet. I bought a punnet of celery and I divided them up because they were multi-sown into each little cell of the punnet, and there was just way too many plants. I couldn't plant them singly. So I separated them all and planted them out into this 10-pack of 10-pack punnet as individual plants. And they've grown well. It's probably 3, maybe 4 weeks ago. I'm not 100% sure on that. And today's the day that I'm planting them out. As you can see, I've already done 2 of these, so there's 20 in there. I've only got room for 3 more, so a few of these are going to end up in the work garden tomorrow when I take these to work. And the soil's been well and truly prepared and rested over the last 4 weeks since I did it. I'll leave a link up here for the video of all the preparation I put in to get the celery to this stage. And today is the easy part and the fun part, which is just bunging them in the ground. And there's, I mean, really there's nothing to it at this stage. You just have to pop them out. Lovely root system. Look at that. 3-4 weeks they've been in there. Great. About a foot apart. This is the handle of my trowel here is about a foot apart, a foot between rows. You can plant them at those spacings so as to give you the plant strives to grow taller rather than squatter. It'll fight a bit more for light and give you a taller plant. In the future, we can, I've forgotten the technical term, but you cover, I should know it, you cover the base of the stem of the plant, blanching. You blanch the stem to keep the sunlight out, and it sweetens the stem, makes it more edible raw. If you're not going to eat it raw and you're just going to cook with it, then it's something you don't have to do. But I'll cover that when the time comes. The other thing I'll do, in about 2, maybe 3 weeks, I'll shout myself a bag of the neutral WhoFlungDung, and I'll really give this a nice thick mulching with WhoFlungDung because it's a feeding mulch. Celery love a good feed. So there's already heaps of nutrient in the soil, but a little bit more in another 3 weeks isn't going to hurt at all. Look at that, beautiful. Love these. That's it, job done. Celery planted. I'll water these. I'll give them a really good water with a garden hose. Then I'll water with liquid power feed fertilizer, and then I will also water again and wash that fertilizer down into the soil, into the root zone. That's about it. Celery's planted. Looking forward to a harvest. What do you think? Any questions? Let me know. Please like and subscribe to the video. Helps my YouTube world go around. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now. Thanks for watching. Just a little side note. I've got these clear white pansies I bought to place around my brassicas to imitate the cabbage butterfly moth, the white cabbage moth. I don't feel left over, so I'll just run them across the front here for no other reason than they'll look pretty. And I need to plant them somewhere. There you go, job done. Cheers.